Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to play Steam Remote Play with two keyboards. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Steam app and log in with your credentials. Once you're logged in and can see your main Steam dashboard, direct your attention to the upper left corner of your screen. You'll see the word Steam there. Go ahead and click on it, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select Settings. This will open up your Steam settings panel where you can configure various features. Once the settings window opens, look at the left panel. You'll see several options listed there. Click on Remote Play. This section is crucial because it controls how Steam handles remote connections and allows you to play games with others who aren't physically at your computer. Without enabling this feature, you won't be able to use two keyboards for gameplay. Now navigate to Enable Remote Play. Right beside it, you'll see a toggle switch. Go ahead and toggle it on. This activates the Remote Play functionality and allows Steam to recognize multiple input devices, including the two keyboards you want to use for gaming. Next, staying in the left panel, click on In-Game. This section contains settings that affect your gameplay experience and how Steam interacts with your games while they're running. It's an important step for making sure the overlay feature works properly with your dual keyboard setup. Look for Enable the Steam overlay while in-game. Right beside it, you'll see a toggle switch. Make sure this is toggled on. The Steam overlay is essential here because it manages input from multiple sources and ensures that both keyboards can communicate with the game properly. Without the overlay enabled, Steam won't be able to coordinate the two keyboard inputs effectively. Now it's time to configure the specific game you want to play. In the upper left corner, click on Library. This will take you to your game collection where all your installed and available games are displayed. In the left panel where your games are listed, right-click the game you want to play with two keyboards. A context menu will appear. From this menu, select Properties. This opens up the game-specific settings, which is where you'll make the final adjustment to ensure both keyboards work seamlessly together during gameplay. Look for Enable the Steam overlay while in-game. Right beside it, you'll see a toggle switch. Make sure this is turned on. This game-specific overlay setting is crucial because it tells Steam to apply the overlay functionality to this particular game, allowing both keyboards to send inputs that the game will recognize and respond to. And that's it! You can now start playing with two keyboards. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.